If people understood the truth, the entire system will collapse, which I will keep on saying it, because the system needed to hide who actually rules the darkness. And if people knew that hell isn't a throne of evil but a throne of strength, they would have rewrite everything. They would realize that darkness isn't a punishment but a test, and the one who survives it is the strongest energy in the universe, and that cannot be ruled by a monster but by the purest light, which cannot be broken even under absolute pressure. And this is exactly why Lucifer is called the morning star, the light bringer. And if people understood this, it will destroy all their fairy tales about good and evil, and it will also destroy control, because only a being of pure light can rule hell, not because it wants to dominate, but because it is the only one capable of entering, staying sane, and holding the entire place in balance. Which darkness respects only two things: one is absolute purity, and two is absolute strength. Which in hell, evil would burn there, pure light survives and therefore rules. Which this is the paradox the system can never admit, because obviously people were sold a lie. They told us hell is evil and light is heaven, which is a simplified matrix narrative with one purpose, which is to hide the true nature of light. Because if people knew that the purest light can descend into the darkest abyss and hold balance there and even return stronger to protect other beings, they would realize that the purest light is not a fragile little angel with wings. Rather, it's a force that cannot be broken in any reality, which the system fears that. And the biggest secret they are hiding is that the greatest light hides so deep that people see only its shadow, and that's why they see it as evil, because they don't understand the difference between strength and destruction. And light that can walk through darkness looks like a threat to blind eyes, but in truth, it is the only protection the world has. Let me tell you this for free. Hell is not ruled by evil. Rather, hell is ruled by light so powerful that darkness fears it, and the system fears it too. Which if people knew this, they would have rewrite the entire story of reality. Until next time, peace.